Morning guys, we will get started in 8 minutes, right? 8 minutes. See you in a bit. Morning guys, good morning to those who just joined. We are going to start in 7 minutes, right? Just like up the stream, get a question in there, post a ticker, and I will be with you guys very soon. Peace. Good morning those who have just joined, welcome. We are going to start in 4 minutes, all right? Get a question in there, ticker, and I will see you very shortly, all right? Peace. 3 minutes till we get started, guys. 3 minutes. I'm gonna repost it now, the link, so we can get more people in here, and then we will start very shortly. All right. Make sure to post a ticker there, or at least a question of some sort, something you struggle with trading. Any questions you have, maybe about the Discord, maybe about my Twitter post, something, and I will get to everybody's question. All right. Don't spam it. Put it once. That is enough. All right. See you guys soon. All right, guys, what up, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. Start a minute early. We'll just get started and have a look. Got a bunch of things on Twitter to go over, and then I will get to everybody, okay? Right. Yeah, BBAI looks all right. PBM is not really my kind of setup, to be honest with you. I would only enter this above 160. So PBM, safe entries above 160. Yeah, safe entries are above 160 on PBM. Anything below, not really interested. It's already down to 122. So yeah, nothing needed to do on that side. HCTI, what's happening with this? Is it reversed or anything exciting? No. So HCTI is a very simple trade setup because all you have to do is follow instructions. Funnily enough, people struggle with this, but I will tell you it, and this is all you need to do. If close is above 0.7415, you can take the trade. If it's below 0.7415, you do not take the trade. So HCTI, there are no entries unless 0.7415 break. If it breaks that level, then I will update the chart. If there is no break above, then I'm not going to update the chart. It's as easy as that, right? IPA. I will get to everybody's questions, right? Get the questions in. Like I said, for those who join, it can be any question. It can be the Discord related, Twitter related, stock related, anything you struggle with in trading, you know, so ask away with that. What's Fubo doing? Fubo is trying to push up. It could be a possible pennant. It's not a bullish pennant, but it's actually, excuse me, a bearish pennant due to this downtrend here. So it should come down, but we can try and make it as bullish as we can by looking that it's making high highs and hopefully makes a higher high and then a higher low. So this is still in the pennant, still in the pennant. As long as it holds this pennant, it is fine. Anything below, it is not fine, right? You should not be entering anything below. There's nothing on this trade at all, IPA. IPA needs a candle close above 0.5. Doesn't look great at all right now. It looks like a pump and dump. It's going red right now. About to turn red. All right, let's go. What up, totes? Hello, hello, hello. HCTI. All right, HCTI is here. Where is it? HCTI. Yeah, as I mentioned with this one, there is nothing on this trade. I'll just add it to my watch list as it was there previously. We'll see if it can reverse, but there are no entries unless 0.7415. All right, 0.7415. Onvo, same thing as this. You're not taking entry unless 171 break. If you want to enter now, go ahead. For me, I don't see any possible entries now. I only am interested if it breaks above $1.71. These are your next key levels once this breaks. Or if it does break, but right now I don't see any entries. So Onvo, there are no entries unless 171 break. It can be tomorrow, it can be in the next 20 minutes, it can be in the next 5 minutes, I don't know, but you can copy this chart simply. All you have to do is wait for the break and close above. SMCI. SMCI's larger cap, I mean, it's reversed perfectly off this $45. However, it is still in a downtrend like this. Needs a downtrend to obviously hit 62.50, 68, and 75. ENVB, this was our winner today. We had a fantastic pre-market. It was actually one of the best pre-markets we've had probably this whole month, if not the whole month. We didn't lose one trade, I don't think, which was very nice. ENVB looks great. 4-hour time frame. You have a gap fill. Probably will fill this gap today. We'll see. I would only look for entries. You can do either way. You can do this. You can wait for a downtrend break and look for an entry here, or you can wait for the safest entry and wait for a break above $3.56. If it breaks 3.56, there's a high probability it will fill that gap. Right, so EMVB needs downtrend break. So riskier entries are above the downtrend break. So candle body closes above. So everybody who's new and doesn't understand, that means the candle body. The candle body is represented in this yellow box. Here is your candle. This is your low. This is your high, open, close. Okay, so that's very simple to understand. That's the basics of a candlestick. You should know that by now if you're trading. If you don't, go back and restart, or you can join the Discord where I go in really in depth about this in a seminar that it would be on your WOP portal. So you need the candle body. This thing over here needs to close above. If it does not close above, that means there is a still no confirmation of a breakout and that it will still probably go down. Easy as that. Right, yes, like up the stream. We've got 19 likes and we have 85 people in here. That is not good at all. What up, Sean? What up, Fig? Greetings, what up? SYTA. SYTA, nothing at the moment. These are larger time frame setup. Sorry, larger time frame key levels. 985, 1240, but the only way I would look for an entry is probably above this $9. Riskier entries would be above this double top high here at 732. Safest entries would be above, let's say, this purple line. Riskier entries are above 732. Take your pick. 99% of people are going to go for the highest risk ones because they want to try and get in before everyone else. XHG, nothing on this. This is a China play from what I remember. Nothing unless $1.15 break. It's down 9% right now. TV. TV, there's absolutely no volume on this. I'm not too sure what you see on this. Yeah, I don't see anything. Maybe above $2.20. Tiger. Fintech. It's up 7%. It's respect to this demand zone very well, which is a good sign. However, I'll just mark the next key levels for you quickly. 792. Then you have here all the way at 950, 949, sorry. And we can just use like around this level here, 875. So these are your next key levels for TIGR. Breaks about 792, you have clean range to 875. A lot of selling off here. I don't know if this was earnings or whatever that was, but yeah. This is TIGR key levels. TIGR key levels. All right. Good morning. EMV is pumping pre-market. Yes, traded about 55 times this morning. Can you look at NVDA? NVIDIA is right here. So it's still in a downtrend. It's still bearish. It looks like it's trying to reverse. Maybe I would say above this high here, should continue to go up above 130.50. But at the moment, yeah, it looks like everything is reversing, but we'll see until market open. Because you got to wait, because the issue is that it can run up, right? And then it can just tank at open. So it can fake everyone else. ARDX, what's happening here? ARDX, extremely low volume on this. For me, I don't know how to trade something like this when there's a lack of volume. Yeah, daily chart is literally just ranging. It's not going up or down. So I don't know what trend this is at the moment. You could try and take riskier entries above 587, but at the moment, I don't see anything on this. I hope you are not in it yet. Till there's volume or news or whatever. Needs volume. So you can save this, 587, screenshot it, so you just remember what level. Locating volume and understanding what's good or bad. So that comes with practice. Volume is easy to understand. You can either use the indicator, you click on this, you go to vol, click on it, and it will tell you the volume of a candle, whatever time frame you're on. Now you're asking, understanding what's good or bad. That's an extremely general question. Okay, so I don't really know what you're trying to explain in that, but what's good or bad comes with experience, as I just mentioned. What's good or bad? What is a good trade? What is a bad trade? It all depends on what kind of trader you are, what's your strategy, what you're actually trying to do. Are you day trading? Are you swing trading? Are you long term? Why are you entering the trade? You need to understand why you're entering the trade, understand bullish chart patterns, understand candlesticks, understand price action, support, resistance. Then you will know if a stock breaks below support, that means it's bad. If it holds above, if it breaks above resistance, that's a good sign. Why? Shows that it's breaking out. There's high volume, buyers are in control, that there's a high probability to go up. So that's what you need to do. Focus on the good, ignore the bad. That's why in the Discord, I don't share, neither does Hassi. We don't talk about the bearish chart patterns, what not to look for and all that, because you have too much. As a trader, you know too much, and then that can influence you as a trader and make the wrong decision, and you'll wait too long and saying, oh, because it's a red candle, I can't trade, or I can't take it, da, da, da. But if you know that you have a falling wedge and you know there's a demand zone or something like that, you will execute the trade because you know that's a bullish setup, regardless if there's a red candle in there, regardless if there's resistance and those things, because you're focusing on the green positivity and you're focusing on what the high probability of it trade working out is. So that's my way of teaching. I don't like to give everything because I don't know all the bearish chart patterns. It's literally just the opposite of the bullish, right? Funnily enough, but in my opinion, you can't know everything, and trying to know all the bearish and bullish chart patterns, yeah, maybe people think in a different way. Oh, it's good to know both, because if you're in a situation where something looks bearish and it's bullish, it just, in my opinion, confuses people. And as a trader, you don't want to have that. You want to have the easiest setup and easiest trade and focus purely on that. Otherwise, you've got too much going on in your head and you're not going to enter trade and you're going to miss it and you're going to be pissed off. Just like level 2 as an example, I do not use it. I used it for about 6 months and I stopped using it. Don't use level 2 as a trader. ASTS is bearish. This needs to break above a downtrend. So this is currently bearish. That means it's in a downtrend. That means you do not want to buy it yet. Join the Discord, you won't miss out. That's right, Mr. Josh. Josh has been there for a very long time. RGTI, we'll see, because all of them are reversing together. So DBAI, lays. I haven't looked at SOUN, but let's have a look. SOUN might be reversed as well. Yeah, SOUN's trying. It's in a demand zone, so SOUN is looking very good in this demand zone. Trying to reverse off demand zone. So we'll see what it does do here, but I do like a setup like this because all of the plays are working out. Look, lasers in the same sector. Lasers setting up for a perfect breakout here, which is looking like. BBAI is another one that's looking good. Expecting this one to break out. So they're all setting up for breakouts. These are all the same sector. So they should all follow each other. Why did APLD hit 12 and go down to 6 or 7 yesterday? I have no idea. The best thing to do is go on to Google and type in, why did APLD go down? Right. Unfortunately, I don't know everything. I don't look into these stocks. I'm assuming it was because of Bitcoin. Otherwise, it could have been earnings or something. HMR, this is the biggest pump and dump. Well, one of them. For me, I'm not interested in something like this. Yeah, nothing. Bearish, downtrend. You want to take a trade, maybe above 380, but nothing. Nothing on that at all. IPA, there's nothing on it. Maybe a 5-minute candle close above 0.5, but right now it's a bearish. I would remove this off your watch list. I personally wouldn't focus on this play now. I'm assuming you chased this because you saw it going up and you didn't have a stop loss. I hope that wasn't the case, but that's what I'm assuming happened. BMRA, you have two ways of trading this. You can wait for a 5-minute candle to close above 0.86, or you can take an impulse buy above the highest wick point, which is, have a look, which is 0.894. So BMRA, wait for 0.86 break. But yeah, BMRA, nothing yet on me. I'm not going to add it to my watch list. I'm not really too interested in it yet. TRNR, this is pushed up. Nice, broke above. Let's see if this can continue to go up. 150, then you have 175. And then the usual $2. $2 like this. LGMK down 18%. When something's down 18%, I would definitely avoid it. There is nothing going on with this stock at all. Just leave it alone. PITA, this was another one that dumped. Yeah, nothing on PITA. Yeah, maybe it looks like it's reversing, but for me, I wouldn't consider anything. Maybe if it's above VWAP. But yeah, right now the stock is very bearish. I would just let it do its thing. Personally, there are much better setups to look at. RETO, I don't really like this play. There's not much volume on it, to be honest with you. Currently down 19%. I don't want to be trading something down 19%. Rather trade at something that is above and up 19%. I know there's a lot of people talking about it. SLXN. SLXN, not too much going on. I would wait for $1.63 break to look for an entry. SLXN, wait for 163 break to enter. If you get above 163, then you can look for entries. Personally, just would not take it now. And you look at HMR. As I just mentioned earlier, I don't know if you asked the same question, but I do not like HMR. If you're in it, I hope you use the stop loss or have a stop loss since you're trading this. My thought is that you're still in it and you haven't had a stop loss and you're stuck in it and you've bought more and expecting it to go up, which is not a good way to trade, but I wish you the best of luck and hopefully that is not the case. Hopefully not. Thank you on ENVB, no problem. ENVB does look good, I like it. My favorite setup today is ENVB. That does not mean buy because people are going to buy it. Not the case. TRNR looks great. Can break this high, should continue up. 168 break should get to at least 175, 180. Trent. Don't have Trent. Sorry, I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Ashnu, I've gone over LGMK. I said it's extremely bearish, but just for your sake, because I'm feeling very nice today. Look at the stock, okay? So we are down 17%. As soon as you see a stock that's down 17%, that should be a huge red flag for you and you shouldn't be in it. Should not be in it. Then go to a larger time frame. In the first place, why on earth are you looking at a stock that is down this much? It is not good. It is bad. Very, very bad. NEOV. I would not touch this thing. If you are looking for an entry on NEOV, maybe above $3.90. NEOV needs $3.90 break. $3.90 break. On Friday, I might be doing another review on showing everyone the Discord because I get a lot of questions every day. DMs asking, what does the Discord look like? What's in the Discord? What's different? I do it every few weeks because I get a lot of new viewers, new followers and things, and The easiest way I can reach out to people, instead of people asking what's the link and all that, I will just show you so you can join. It will probably be on Friday, same time, 8:30. ATCH. ATCH, I'd wait for this level here. What is this? 517. You can add it to the watch list. It's up. I'm going to watch 517 break today. This did run the other day as well, so we'll see. MBRX down 3%. Overall chart bearish. Personally, I would just leave it alone. Not really interested. Keep it simple. Yes, you are correct. That's the way I trade. GRO, absolutely nothing on it. Sorry, there's no volume. I don't know how to trade on it. Todders asked, can you explain a pennant better? So a pennant's easy. So if you go onto Google, it's probably even easier. It's very simple. Look, you have this, right? This is a pennant. This is what a pennant looks like. It's called, this is what a pennant looks like, okay? So you get a bearish pennant or you get a bullish pennant. That's it. Bearish pennant is when you look left and the chart is doing this, and then there's a higher probability to go down. Why? Because the trend is coming from a downtrend to go down. So we can put this in red. Like now, there is the inverse. If this trend is pushing up and you have a pennant forming, right? It should continue to go up. So you have a bullish pennant and you have a bearish pennant. This is called, pennant is called a continuation pattern. So is it going to continue to go down or is it going to continue to go up? Just because it's in a downtrend and in a pennant, it doesn't mean 100% chance that it's going to go down. Okay, that's what people need to understand. You can look at the win rate and what the chances are if there's a bearish pennant and what the probability of it going down is. But when you see a bearish trend and a bearish pennant, that means that there is a probably, I would say, at least 70% chance of it going down. So you're looking to buy, right? And you're looking for a trade setup that is in a bullish pennant. Look at the trend, look left, see what's going on. Is it in trend upwards like this? Fantastic. Has the pennant formed? Yes, great. Okay, where do you enter? You can enter inside the pattern, you can enter breakout, you can enter anywhere, whatever you decide. That just comes with practice and what works best for you. But the best way to trade it is always inside, in my opinion, because it's expected to break out. Easy and simple as I can explain that to you. That is free knowledge for you, my friend. People will sell that for $1 billion on their courses. PITA, I'm not interested in this unless you have VWAP reclaim. People are going to say, oh, it's reversing now because they're seeing green is pushing up. For me, I don't have enough confirmation. Literally 10-15 minutes of a confirmation. Cool, I will see you in there. SLXN, TSS, I've posted it and I will say it again. No entries unless $1.63. Peter is nothing. Nothing on PITA. PITA, there is nothing going on yet. If you want to enter now and you think there's a reversal, that is perfectly fine. You are more than welcome to. In my opinion, I do not have enough confirmation, so I cannot take the trade based on my strategy and the way I trade. I only trade stocks above VWAP. Lays is looking good on a larger time frame. It's bullish, same as BBAI. We'll see if it can push to the upside. But the market does look like it's trying to push up today. SYTA. Yeah, so SYTA broke above here, then it's running, maybe retesting VWAP here. We will see. Open a position on Fubo. Good luck. ORIS. ORIS, there is nothing on this. Down 5% yesterday, down 1% today. Yeah, for me, I don't see any possible entries or anything, so difficult for me to give you anything on it. Right now, it's bearish and nothing at the moment. HCTI, you're not entering unless 0.7415. Join the Discord, guys. Try it for a month. I love it. Tiger and Hassie are the most honest and genuine Discorders. I'm a Discorder. Thank you. SYTA is breaking 732. It needs to hold VWAP here, or if it closes below VWAP here in 3 minutes, then it will probably continue to go down. Discord is great investment and you learn so much. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Thank you. That's good. What's your call on BTC? Let me ask my crystal ball. This is what I have. I think it's going to reverse around here. If it doesn't, oh no, it doesn't. Based on technicals, it should reverse. Who knows what Trump will say? Who knows what anyone's going to tweet or do? So I don't know. Based on technical analysis, not fundamentals, there is a high probability that this will reverse around here. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yeah, we will see. Crypto respects technicals very, very well. Very, very well, actually. Okay, what else is there? Reto. Reto needs to get back above $1. I don't like Reto at the moment, but people keep spamming me this every 2 seconds. TTD, absolutely nothing on this. This is a shitty chart. Sorry, but that's the truth. TTD, nothing on this. Nothing on this at all. Nothing at all. ALLR, what's happening with ALLR? Minute. ALLR always tries to run up and then just comes down. Difficult situation here. It's not enough volume for me. Maybe a close, 5-minute close above 8.9. Maybe a close above 0.89. You can look for an entry. Other than that, I just would not touch it. Because underneath this, it's below VWAP and I don't see any reversal yet, unfortunately. Needs close above 0.89. Just going through some Discord requests, guys. Just bear with me. Right. ALR needs 899. Yeah, 890, 8900, break above. ACHR. This is the one that we, oh no, not ACHR, it's ATCH. ACHR, for me, nothing. If you want to take a riskier entry, you can look for entries above 848. Yeah, so you can wait for break above 848. ACHR, wait for break above $48. Yeah, 848, then maybe you can look for some entries on it. I meant to say genuine traders. See you on live. Yes, Josh, I'll see you in live. QBTS. It's just in the demand zone right now. Possible reversals here. If you enter, just make sure to have a stop loss. DJLY, there are no entries unless 0.1365. Do I see anything on Fubo? So, Todd, I want to hear what you have to say about it because I saw you said opened a position on Fubo. I'm just curious to see why you entered. I want to hear 3 things. Why you entered, where's your stop loss, and where's your target? Curious to know. What was your plan when you entered the trade? Then I will give you my feedback. ENVB. ENVB is great. 4 minutes. RKLB. RKLB is 4%. It's holding $20 support, but we will see what's going on. RKLB holding support. SYTA. So SYTA, did it hold VWAP? It did not hold VWAP. Broke below VWAP, so we're gonna have to wait and see. That QV CGB is too long for me to type, so I'm not even gonna be trading that today. Personally, not interested just because I can't be asked to type this for an alert, to be honest with you. And also $10. Check. What does that mean? What does check mean? Assuming that means I will tell you. But this one, yeah, nothing for me. Could wait for above VWAP. So look here, VWAP is at $12. That's what you could wait for, but like I said, it might sound shitty and dumb, but yeah. I don't know how to trade this right now because it went down big time. 47% down yesterday. What was the news today to bring this up? Oh, I don't even know. I'm going to look. Open due to breakout on the Disney deal. So you trade based on fundamentals, correct? ATCH needs to break above 517. Wait for that. Then you can look for entries on it. SYTA. Nothing yet. BBAI is looking good. I'm going to watch this. So this is my technical reasonings on Fubo. This is a bearish pennant. So you asked about the pennants earlier, and this is a bearish pennant. The reason is because of this. You are in a downtrend and you are doing this. So you're like this. That means that it should go down. That is what it should do based on technicals. Is it going to do it? What's the percentage? What's the win rate? I don't know. The best thing, in my opinion, is to go onto Google and research it because I don't know the answer. But personally speaking, this is in a bearish chart pattern. 375 is your major support level. If it breaks below 375, I think that it will keep going down. But we will see. Right. Going to go through a couple of these and then we will see. HCTI is definitely one to watch today. Above 0.7415. Is this reclaiming VWAP? VWAP is, yep, it has reclaimed VWAP. So Discord members, you can use the candlestick strategy on this one. Yeah, just watch this one here. IPA, gonna remove this one. Doesn't look good at all. Trash. Lay's gonna watch this one today. MLGO, just have it on my watch list since it ran yesterday. Fubo, bearish pennant with earnings on Fridays. Could it break up? So your answer is it's bearish. Okay, that's the first thing we've understood. When a stock is bearish, that means there's a higher probability the stock will go down. What is going to happen with earnings? I have no idea. I don't know what will happen. Even if there's good earnings, it doesn't matter. It means jack shit. Okay? The only thing that matters is the guidance. What's happening for the upcoming quarter, future for the company, and those things. That is what pushes the stock up or down. Right? I'm saying based on technical. So that means if this breaks up and you're saying, and I told you it's bearish pen and all this stuff, guys, I'm just going to clarify because a lot of people who are smart asses, I'm not saying you guys especially, but there are people out there because I said, oh, the stock is bearish, it's going to go down. I'm talking and what I'm sharing is based on technicals and what I see. Okay, that's it. I don't know what news is coming. There could be news on Fubo in the next 2 minutes. I don't read about the company. I don't know about the company. I don't care about the company. I'm sharing my insight on the technical. So what's happening in the earnings and how well the company is doing and the possibility of them beating earnings, all that stuff, I have zero idea. And whether they do or don't, it still means nothing to me. But based on the chart, there's a high probability it will go down and up. But who knows? It will probably go up because this is the way the market works. I definitely would not hold a position through earnings. That is an extremely high risk trade. Wolf follows Bitcoin and right now it is bearish. All right, I'm going to do one more SGBX and then I've got to head into the Discord. SGBX, wait for 0.75 break to look for an entry on this. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. If you want to join, you are more than welcome to. The link is right over here. I will see you all later. Discord members, I'll see you guys in a bit. Twitter guys, I'll share some charts and setups throughout the day. All right. Have a great day. Peace.